Hello everyone! Today I am excited to share with you my amazing visit to the Universum Science Center in Bremen, Germany. Join me as I take you on a captivating journey through the wonders of science and exploration. Before planning your visit to the Universum Science Center in Bremen, it's essential to know the operating hours and entrance costs to make the most of your experience. As I stepped into the Universum, I was immediately struck by its modern and futuristic architecture. The building itself seemed to embody the spirit of discovery and curiosity that awaited inside. The Universum is a hub of scientific knowledge and interactive exhibits. It was awe-inspiring to witness the myriad of exhibits that showcased various branches of science, from physics to biology and everything in between. Each exhibit was designed to engage visitors of all ages, making learning a truly immersive and enjoyable experience. One of the highlights of my visit was the opportunity to engage in hands-on experiments. From experimenting with magnets to exploring the principles of gravity, I could actively participate in the scientific process, gaining a deeper understanding of the fundamental laws that govern our universe. The visit to the Universum served as a reminder of the incredible progress and innovation that science has brought us. It was inspiring to see how technology and creativity are shaping our understanding of the world and offering a glimpse into the future of scientific exploration. As I ventured further into the Universum, I encountered a plethora of interactive exhibits that truly made learning a hands-on adventure. The interactive displays allowed me to witness the magic of science in action. I played with optical illusions that challenged my perception, delved into the world of robotics and automation, and marveled at the intricate design of various organisms from interactive biology exhibits. The engagement with these exhibits ignited my curiosity and brought scientific concepts to life in a fun and engaging way. One of the most intriguing parts of my visit was exploring the exhibitions that delved into the complexities of the human mind and senses. It was fascinating to learn about how our brain processes information and how our senses such as sight, hearing, and touch work in harmony to give us a perception of the world. The interactive displays provided insightful glimpses into neuroscience and psychology, making me appreciate the intricacies of the human experience. The Universum also showcased exhibits that shed light on our planet's delicate balance and the importance of preserving the environment. From understanding the effects of climate change to exploring sustainable practices, the exhibits emphasized the significance of our role in safeguarding Earth for future generations. It was a poignant reminder of the responsibility we all share in protecting our planet and ensuring a sustainable future. As I moved through the exhibits, I noticed the delight and wonder on the faces of young visitors. The Universum is a place that truly inspires the next generation of scientists, engineers, and innovators. The interactive and engaging exhibits sparked their curiosity and nurtured a love for learning. Seeing the impact it had on the young minds reaffirmed the importance of institutions like the Universum in shaping a brighter future for education and exploration. In retrospect, my visit to the Universum was profoundly enriching experience. It reminded me of the beauty and complexity of the world we live in and the incredible advancements that human knowledge and curiosity have brought us. I left with a deep sense of gratitude for the scientists, researchers, and educators who tirelessly worked to unravel the mysteries of the universe and share their findings with the world. Thank you for accompanying me on this unforgettable journey for the Universum Science Center in Bremen. I hope this video has ignited your curiosity and inspired you to explore the wonders of science in your own way. Remember, the pursuit of knowledge is an adventure that never ends. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep discovering the extraordinary world around us. Until next time.